Hello, today I will tell you how to find the 500 internal server error encountered on Android devices in Google Chrome. If you want to see more practical solution videos like this, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's move on how to solve this error step by step. First of all, although this error may seem to be caused by a problem with the website server, sometimes the problem can be related to your browser cache or the internet connection, so you need to try a few different methods. First step, clearing your browser cache. Open your Google Chrome application and click on the three-dot icon in the upper right corner. Go to the settings from the menu that opens. Then find the Privacy and Security section and select Clear Browsing Data from here. On the screen that appears, check the Cache Images and Files box and press the Clear Data button. This will reset your browser's cache and the error will mostly disappear. Second step, clearing cookies. In some cases, the culprit could be cookies stored in your browser. Repeat the steps above, but this time check the cookies and site data box. Then clear the data. This may require you to log in back into the site, but it will increase your chances to solving this error. Step 3. Check your internet connection. This error can sometimes be related to your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi off and on again, or try mobile data. You can also refresh your connection by turning airplane mode on and off. If the issue persists, try turning off your VPN if you are using one. VPNs can sometimes restrict access to websites, which can relate to the 500 internal server error. Finally, if there is a problem with the website, there isn't much you can do. However, if you are still getting the error after trying these steps, you may need to wait a bit and wait for the website to fix the problem.